This is the DEERC D23 Mini Drone right here. This has a camera on board. It comes with 2 batteries and also a dual charger to charge both batteries at the same time if you want to. Plus, it also has these awesome light rings that you can also change the different colors in the way that they're actually displayed by a push of the button directly on the remote. You can even turn them off if you want to, or just have them kind of going flashing and stuff like that like crazy. Really, really cool. I really like this thing. Let's go ahead and get on the ground here and let's go ahead and fly it. Now the controller is really, really nice because it actually has a landing and takeoff button. So you just push one button and it'll take off for you about 1 meter in the air. And then one more button will bring it back down and land it. You can even land it directly on your hand if you want to. The controllers are really easy to use. Basically, you have different yokes and stuff like that to take it up, higher, lower, side to side, and a whole bunch of other directions too. And on top right here, you also can go ahead and take pictures and everything that you want with it. It doesn't have an SD card on board, but it does also come with this that you can put directly onto the controller. So you can take this off, put this right here directly on there just like that, and put your phone on here, and because you can connect this to your phone and see the video on there as well. Really, really cool. So let's go ahead and let's fly this thing. Let's see what happens, shall we? Okay, so go ahead and do this. So I already have it synced, but once you turn this on and turn on the remote, you just push this button up, you push it down, and then you should hear like 2 beeps, and then you're good to fly. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and hit the button. Let's fly it. Woo! There we go. There it is. There it is. There it goes. Let's go ahead and land it real quick. Just like that. And right there it is, the DEERC D23 remote control drone. And I hope you enjoy it as well.